This is the Swahili Beach Resort in Diani Beach. Have the beautiful bathroom here. Tub back there. Double vanity sink, a bidet, as well as a regular toilet, seating area, closet, and then into the room. We have the bedroom. There is a crib that they gave us for our 2-year-old. TV, yes, your crib, desk, and then a desk for our bed for our oldest, sorry. A little seating area here to just hang out. And then it opens up to a beautiful outdoor space. You can see the pool from here and the beach in the distance and some seats there. So this is the